As Michael Benny fills up, he knows he's in for a shock. Gas prices are spiking across the U.S., and as a person who depends on his car for work, he's easy prey at the pump.
They're high, higher. They're pretty high compared to where I'm from. I'm from Philadelphia, so we get our gas in New Jersey, but it still hasn't hit $4 yet. But $4 is quite expensive for gasoline.
At the same time gas prices are going up, the value of the U.S. dollar is going down, meaning when speculators trade oil commodities on the market, it will take more money to buy the same amount of gas or less.
The rise in gas prices is much bigger than that, and that has to do with mostly very strong demand in China, in all of Asia, for petroleum, which is pushing up the world price for everybody.
The dollar's at its lowest value in 2.5 years, almost $1.50 to every euro. With interest rates being kept low, investors are taking notice.
Well, it's not good because it's going to make the problem with the debt even worse. Because that's going to, and it also could hurt confidence in the dollar, and also we might have to spend more money to finance the debt. So it has a lot of implications.
For the U.S., low dollar value is concerning news, as global investors will look elsewhere to spend their money. Experts say that some investors fear that an embattled U.S. economy will stall if the White House and Congress decide to lower the deficit by cutting spending or raising taxes. This would most likely urge the Federal Reserve to keep rates at all-time lows, while other central banks worldwide are raising their rates, affecting everything we buy, from merchandise to fuel. Signs of a devalued dollar could also ruin the U.S.'s AAA credit rating by 2014, as the U.S. tries to find ways to shed its $14 trillion debt load.
It's the lowest, technically the lowest value in inflation-adjusted terms for decades, but not by a lot. And mostly what it's reflecting is that a lot of countries, especially in developing countries, have high inflation.
Consumers will also have to find ways to stretch a dollar even further. Benny says it cost $87 to fill his tank, almost twice the usual amount. Colin Campbell, Press TV, Washington.